only left the livery lor.
Livery, okay.
But that one is a special review lah. See when. Comment down below what livery should we slap it on. They're using kasih payung the sound. Maybe we do a Chinese New Year livery.
Red colour.
Make it active first. An arrow. Then you put a spot on the arrow.
Oh, okay. Just say started recording already, right? Actually, okay lah.
But first, I think why we chose this car as a project car is a right car to do lah. The right car is a project car because with the butterfly doors, with the crazy kit from DarwinPro, I think it looks
aggressive.
It looks much more aggressive. But actually, for the front, I think the front looks much nicer. I mean, the front view compared to the back view, right? So we need to show the viewers how the front look like. I think this view is in my point. I think is the best view lah, the best angle of the car.
True.
Because you can see the wide, how wide it is, and you see the whole aerodynamics together. Because from the back, I think it's too much in your face already. Like, wow, it's too intimidating. From the front, you get some Batman vibes lah. The front lip. The bad thing about this front lip is because the whole side is a bumper ma. So if we scratch the bottom, if we crack it,
one set.
we need to change the whole bumper. We cannot change just the front lip. Yeah.
So this is just carbon lah, right?
Yeah, this is carbon.
Darwin got carbon, forged, autoclave.
Correct. They got the standard carbon, which is wet carbon. They got the forged carbon, and they got the dry carbon. So what we got here is the wet carbon. So you see the wet carbon, the weave is actually very beautiful. So the only pros and cons of dry carbon is much lighter. Yeah, you get much lighter and much more weight saving for dry carbon. But for wet carbon, you can see the quality. All the weave is so beautiful. It's perfect lah. Okay, for your point, should we leave the fenders exposed? Should we leave the fender and the hood exposed carbon? Or should we wrap it?
I think certain part lah, probably this part black, this part carbon. Some people they mix paint.
So we leave this part exposed and then this part wrap it lah.
Yeah.
Then what about hood?
Same thing lah. Some part paint.
Some part
Some part. It looks cleaner like that.
Because if you do the Marlboro livery, right, you need to cover the entire thing lor.
Yeah.
Because for the hood, we opted for both double carbon fiber.
Okay.
Yeah. G63 full urban white track build is back. So we painted a full body paint, and now it's back. Let's go check it out. Oh my god. Okay guys, so we're back. We parked at a more quiet spot. It was a bit hectic at the front just now. So what have we done with the car? Let me run through. It's a bit sengit. Let me fix this. So let me run through a bit what have we done. So we did a full car respray. We fitted the full white track urban body kit. So right now we sprayed opulent white, color 886 on the G-Wagon. So previously the car came to us, actually it's already white. So, but it's a bit more creamy. The owner wanted something more metallic. So we recommended the opulent white color 886. So you can see we did a full exterior and interior spray. So even when you open the door, you can see we did a full respray as well. So you won't get a color contrast both interior and exterior. So we can go through the interior in a bit, but let me run over the exterior first. So it's a full white track kit. The kit consists of the full front bumper, carbon front hood, carbon LED lights, carbon side skirts. So moving on, so the white arches, the front and the back. So this one it's non-exposed carbon fiber. So we painted through, but we left just the side exposed. And obviously we got the rims as well, the 23-inch urban forged rims, which matches beautifully. It's sitting flush. looks amazing. So to the rear, the entire bumper, we changed it. So same, we painted this, we left this exposed, as well. We got the very iconic Urban spare wheel tires. So the Defender has shared the same wheel tires as well. We have ready stock in our showroom, so you can drop us an appointment to come and have a look if you have a Defender or you have a G-Wagon. So the spoiler, it's subtle. So that, for Urban, they are very subtle. All their designs are subtle. It's not like DarwinPro with the crazy build, the wide fenders, the wide arches. For Urban, it's much more subtle, which is depending on your taste. To me, I personally like it. I personally like my G-Wagon, more subtle, OEM plus, nothing too crazy. Yeah, nothing out of the ordinary. When you look at it, you feel, oh, what did they do to the car? It looks amazing, but it don't look too much. You won't get the too over feeling. So similar, the other side, arches, we got the side skirts, we got the wheels, 23 inches wheels. Okay, let's come back front and look at the bonnet. So the bonnet is fully carbon fiber as well. You got the vented hose. So this vented hose bonnet, it's a very pricey bonnet. I'm not gonna lie, this whole kit is very pricey. That's all I can say. So you get the new design with the new W465. You get the UA new logo. You get new logos for the front as well. So these are the old badges. These are the old design badges. So if you have the newest G-Wagon model, the 2025, or now the 2026 model, the white track is totally different. These are for the 18 up to the 23 and 24 models. Okay, so let's kasi payung the exhaust sound. Yuzim, payung exhaust sound. So Yuzim will payung the exhaust, but in the meantime, I will show you while the car warm up. I will show you the roof light bar. So this is a controller. So you can on your top lights. So if it's not bright enough, or there's somebody you want to cut on the road, you can just flash him. So this is a controller. Yeah, basically that. Using kasi payung the sound. Not bad. So this one is fitted the Veleno stainless steel catback. Just the catback, no exhaust, no tuning. Sounds amazing. Sounds good enough. Solid, right? Solid, very solid. Does it have the valve controller? Oh, this one is following the car setting. Okay, this exhaust is following the setup. We didn't opt for the customer didn't opt for the valve controller, so you can't on and off your valve. But you try comfort mode. I think comfort mode should be good. Comfort mode. Let's hear the difference. Yeah, much lesser pops, much more subtle. So if you don't want to opt for the controller when you're on and off, actually by controlling the car setting, the car mode, the exhaust will follow your car setting as well. Sport Plus, you get more aggressive loud pops. For comfort, you just get some noise, but nothing too crazy. Okay. So today we got a lot of projects to cover. So we got this G-Wagon. We are delivering the car today actually. So just now we have our 720S project car fitting the rims. We are finishing that build soon. Hopefully by New Year we'll get the build done and probably put a special livery on top of it in January. And other than that, we also got the RS6 that came in for the full IMP body kit conversion. Stay tuned for that. That's very exciting. Super perfect fitment. How many fingers is this? How many fingers set up? Half a finger. Half a finger set up.
Half a finger.
Cantik. But the car now is lowered lah.
Slam.
Yeah. Slam.
The concave for this rim. So
Cantik, right?
you can custom any spec.
Yeah, custom forge. Any JJ. Perfect fitment. Fender tak sangkut.
Meaty fitment.
Meaty fitment. Like even the front right now is we tested lah. It won't sangkut, tak sangkut. Yeah. Tak kena the wheel arch lah. And just now we had some technical issue. So the wheel nuts is not long enough.
Not long enough. Yeah, it's supposed to cut more than 6 to 8 times.
Yeah, we show the picture on the screen. So I think our stock nut is 27 mm. So when we try to fit it on the Veleno rims, it's
32mm.
yeah, the best fitment is a 32mm. So we got the 32mm one for more safety precaution. Although it can lock, but not very safe. Especially these kind of supercars, you want safety first. So yeah, we got the 32mm ones. Now it's fitted. All fitment cantik. Front, how many fingers? Front 2 fingers.
This slam, you slam the car already, right?
Yeah, I think it's slam. You try owning and see. You see, we try turning the wheels. Yeah. See? Perfect. The other side. Yeah. Tak sangkut lagi, and the car can still be lifted. Right now it's at its lowest setting. So we got the most aggressive fitment. Without spaces. And still boleh drive.
Yes.
Not just for looks, still drivable, very drivable. Although it looks super aggressive. Can we see from the front? See the car from the front. We slightly go through what have we done to the car. So originally we bought this project car, stock 720S. Never changed before. The exhaust was changed, but we swapped out the exhaust. We swapped it to a Veleno big pipe 86mm. X-pipe, X-pipe tubes, 86mm with a JBOM downpipe.
JBOM downpipe.
Yeah, with a
CELL downpipes.
Yes, with 100 CELL downpipe. And in the future, we are considering to flame tune this.
Yes.
Maybe through a stage 2 tune. Pop and bangs.
Suits the car.
Suits the car. V8, the pop is crazy. And the most obvious thing, the body kit. Yeah. So what body kit is this?
This is the SE GTR body kit.
Yeah, the SE GTR DarwinPro body kit. Right.
Only one in Malaysia.
Yeah, this is the first one in Malaysia actually.
Yes.
There's one in Singapore.
Yeah.
And this is the first one in Malaysia. So you can see the carbon fiber hood, the fenders. We changed the whole bumper.
Including the nuts.
Yeah. Basically, there's too many things that we touched on the car. The only thing that we didn't touch on the car is the 2 doors. Basically, the 2 doors is the only thing that we didn't touch. The hood we replaced, the bumper we replaced, the fender we replaced, the wing we replaced, even the rear wing, we added another wing on top of it. So other than this big arrow, we added this carbon fiber wing, and it's still active. We still can use it. It's still active. We can activate it. We can go down in comfort mode and come up during sport mode. Then you can see the crazy diffuser. Crazy lah bro, the design. Come. Yuzim kasih tekan, you see the LED light, like the BMW, you get like the BMW V10 design. Yeah. So when you press the brakes, it will lit up lah. You can say it's lala, but I like it lah bro. This one not bad. So a lot of light action going on. A bit of F1 feel. I wouldn't say this lala, this is F1. F1 right? Not lala right? Not lala at all. F1, like an F1 car already, GT car. Yeah, there's 2. So you got one up here. This is not stock, this is added on, and one down here. The exhaust a bit too loud. Yeah. So flying doors. We got the extra side skirt. You can see the side skirt. Also very aggressive. So the door trim, this is the add-on carbon door trim. Then the carbon side skirt, also from DarwinPro. So the whole thing lah, and this. What do you think of this? Is it a bit extra or okay? You think okay?
Good.
Looks good.
Looks great.
Sean, what do you think?
Not bad. Liberty Walk, right?
Sean said copy Liberty Walk, but DarwinPro have their own design lah. Different car. Yeah, I think the Liberty one was on what? Huracan. Okay. So this one is on a Mclaren lah. Something different. Yeah, I've never seen a Mclaren this aggressive on the road before.
Never. Usually mostly stock body kit only.
Yeah, mostly stock body kit. If not add on one small fender like the reef body kit. If not, it's the 765 convert.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I think that's mostly
convert.
765.
But this is one of one in Malaysia.
One of one lah. Got character lah. This one got character a bit.
True.
Yeah. So what livery are you doing next?
Probably the Marlboro design livery. Or you guys can comment what livery should we put.
Comment down below what livery should we slap it on. Now is Christmas is tomorrow, so I don't think we can make it. Yeah, we cannot make a Christmas livery. Think of next
Chinese New Year probably.
Then after Chinese New Year, we need to take it out already. Raya.
One season.
Yeah. And let us know if we should paint the calipers.
Yeah.
Or maybe what livery, what color we should match.
Yeah.
Probably need to match the livery.
True.
Yeah.
That one got a pink some more.
If you look at the entire car, it's wide, it's much wider. Because the original Mclaren, the bumper is here only, until here, then it flows like that. So imagine it's so much wider already, the front. With the front fenders, it looks so much wider. And with the big wing, I think this is the front view, this is the best view. Then you get the top view is also very sick. Super sick.
The bumper they changed, but this one they still use like the original one.
Correct, the light we use back the original.
Just different position.
Yeah, different position. And you got this extra piece lah. Everything carbon fiber. Even when we got this project car, the spec is already very crazy. It has carbon spec package in and out. So the inside, even the lights, the headlamp has carbon. So we took that off, slap it with more carbons. And yeah, now it's a final outlook. What do you guys think? We will make more shoots, we'll do more shoots. We will probably viral out this car in January. So stay tuned lah. We just got this build. This build is fresh out of the garage.
True. Maybe you can put Christmas lights
Christmas lights at Christmas is tomorrow, bro.
Just the lights
Just the lights. Yeah. Can. But I probably need to PPF the car first. Because when they do the lights, they put the cellophane tape on the car. It will damage the car, when they drive, all the LED lights is scratching the car. Have you seen the aftermath of the LED design? It's crazy. Most of the car does it on the wrap, then okay. If without wrap, bro, the carbon, bro, cannot lah. Today was a busy day. So we
started with your car, G-Wagon,
G-Wagon, Audi. Okay, so the G-Wagon customer is coming to collect. Boleh nampak? Later put some cuts in it. So we are delivering the G-Wagon. Customer is going to collect later. Low-key customer, don't want to reveal face, so we are not going to do a surprise. It's just for the customer's own experience. Then we are working on our project car. And the RS6 we are starting after Christmas, Friday. Customer is coming Friday to choose his car color. Because we want to do a full body paint as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's going to be a mad project.
That one's another mad project. Okay, it's good. Good way to end the year.
True.
Good way to end the year.
Just in time.
Just in time. Okay, so let us know on the livery, what livery we should do. And catch you guys in 2026. 2026. Next week.